Did you know that just 20 minutes of the right exercises can completely transform your body? According to a study published in the Journal of Sports Science, certain workouts can boost your metabolism by up to 30% for hours after you finish. That's like turning your body into a fat-burning machine. But here's the catch. Not all exercises are created equal. Some can change your entire body, while others, well, they just waste your time. In this video, we're diving into the 8 most powerful, science-backed exercises that can reshape your body from head to toe. Whether you're looking to build muscle, burn fat, or just feel amazing, these moves are your ultimate game changer. So, if you're ready to transform your body, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get started. Let's kick things off with the king of all exercises, the deadlift. This powerhouse move doesn't just work your legs, it engages your entire posterior chain from your glutes to your lower back. Studies show that deadlifts can increase your testosterone and growth hormone levels, which are essential for muscle growth and fat loss. But here's the thing, deadlifts can be risky if done wrong. Always keep your back straight and engage your core. And if you're new to this, start with lighter weights. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Next up, the humble push-up. Don't let its simplicity fool you. This exercise is a full-body beast. It targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. Plus, it's a great way to measure your fitness level. Can't do 10 proper push-ups? No worries. Start with knee push-ups and work your way up. Pro tip: to avoid shoulder strain, keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle. And if you're feeling fancy, try decline push-ups for an extra challenge. Your muscles will be screaming, but in a good way. Squats, the ultimate leg day staple. But did you know squats also boost your overall strength and endurance? Research shows that squats can improve your balance, flexibility, and even your cardiovascular health. However, bad form can lead to knee pain. Keep your knees aligned with your toes and don't let them cave in. And if you're not ready for weighted squats, bodyweight squats are just as effective. Remember, it's not about how much you lift, it's about how well you lift. Now let's talk about pull-ups, the ultimate test of upper body strength. This exercise targets your back, shoulders, and arms, giving you that V-shaped torso everyone craves. But let's be real, pull-ups are hard. If you can't do one yet, start with assisted pull-ups or negative reps. Fun fact: pull-ups are so effective that NASA includes them in astronaut training programs. So, if it's good enough for space, it's good enough for you. Time to fire up that core with planks. This simple yet brutal exercise strengthens your abs, lower back, and shoulders. Plus, it improves your posture and reduces the risk of back pain. But here's the kicker. Most people do planks wrong. Keep your body in a straight line and avoid sagging your hips. And if you're bored of regular planks, try side planks or add leg lifts for an extra burn. Love them or hate them, burpees are one of the most effective full-body exercises out there. They combine strength and cardio, torching calories and building endurance at the same time. But be warned, burpees are intense. If you're a beginner, take it slow and focus on form. And if you're feeling adventurous, add a push-up or a jump at the end. Your heart will hate you, but your body will love you. Lunges are a must for sculpting your legs and glutes. They also improve your balance and coordination, making them a great functional exercise. The key to perfect lunges: keep your front knee aligned with your ankle and your back knee just above the ground. And if you want to level up, try walking lunges or add weights. Your legs will feel like jelly, but hey, no pain, no gain. Last but not least, Russian twists. This exercise targets your obliques, giving you that toned, defined core. Plus, it improves your rotational strength, which is essential for everyday movements. To avoid injury, keep your back straight and engage your core throughout the movement. And if you're feeling fancy, add a weight or a medicine ball. Your abs will thank you later. And there you have it. 8 exercises that can completely transform your body. Whether you're a beginner or a fitness pro, these moves are your ticket to a stronger, leaner, and healthier you. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with these exercises and you'll see results faster than you think. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fitness tips, and share it with your friends. And let me know in the comments, which of these exercises are you adding to your routine? Until next time, stay strong and keep moving.